Welcome to 4772 Main Street here in Orono. This beautiful bungalow sits on just under 1 acre, and the main floor features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and an updated kitchen. And on the lower level, we have a separate entrance to an in-law suite with a second beautiful kitchen, a 4th bedroom, another 4-piece bathroom, and a separate laundry as well. Outside, it's an entertainer's dream and a nature lover's paradise with a massive pool, an outdoor sauna, fire pits, outdoor kitchen with multiple barbecues. We have a greenhouse, a small orchard, beautiful gardens. It really is incredible.